This guide will walk you through the process of deleting backup files for a specific project. If the project becomes inactive or there is no need for its backup for any other reason, it can be excluded from the backup schedule, and the backup files created for it can be deleted. We will review how to delete a table for Dataverse, but the process is the same for all other systems supported by FluentPro Backup. Open the Data Protection page. Find the table for which you need to delete backup files and click on it to open the Summary page. On the Summary page, click the Delete Table Backups button. Confirm the deletion by typing the table name and clicking Delete. Once the deletion is confirmed, table backups will be deleted. It can take some time if there are a lot of backup files. When the deletion is completed, all backup files for the selected table will be deleted entirely without the ability to restore them. The table will be marked as unprotected. Statistics on the home page for the table number and stored data will be recalculated. Information on the subscription page will also be recalculated accordingly.